Today, it's the 30th of November 2011, and this is Alicio Samba speaking from CTK College. Basically, we've been doing lots of research about what people lack in horror teaser trailers, and what I mainly found out on Facebook and that is that people didn't like the normal conventions of the teaser trailers. They like different stuff, so maybe they didn't want to just see male killers, they wanted to see female killers. And what I really found out is that the age groups that were really interested will be from like 17 to about 24, but we mainly targeted the teenage section, which was about 16 to 19. So what I was asking was lots of questions on how long would you want the teaser trailer to be, and for BBM as well, I was asking a couple of questions, such as the same type of questions, but as I found out, what I found out really was people didn't like the same conventions, and that's what we were trying to get out of this. We're trying to see what people like, especially teenagers, and what we actually found out was that they didn't like the normal conventions. They didn't want to see too much blood in a teaser trailer. I think it was a bit tacky to do that. And what they really liked to see was maybe a bit of running, a bit of action, but maybe less cuts and less screaming, because people get annoyed by that. And that's what we're trying to do now. We're trying to like go against the conventions, and maybe, okay, we might have a female killer, but that's only because it's natural. And as well as that, why we did this was because we wanted to find out what our audience really needed, because there's no point making a teaser trailer if like, no one's going to watch it, or if it's not going to be interesting to your target market. And so by this, what we're going to do now is implement all these ideas and new advances in what's called what's called theory and thinking. And we're going to really put this in our teaser trailer. Thank you for watching.